How to register for Emirates NBD Mobile Banking. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing you have to remember is you already have to have an account in Emirates NBD. Only then you can use or register for mobile banking. To do so, if you already have an account, simply install this application named ENBDX. This is the new version of the app. Once you have entered in the home page or the login page, then tap on open your new bank account. If you already have a bank account, simply tap on login, and you can see here there is an option called new to the ENBDX app. Simply tap on register, and from here you just have to fill up these forms and your mobile banking will be enabled. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.